Today I am going to discuss about very popular Leetcode problem named toSum. In this problem, given to you an array and a target value, you have to find two elements of array where sum of two elements equal to target. So let's begin. In this video, we use dictionary to solve this problem. Here you can see we make an array and target value 7. Now we take every element from array and take how many value we need to fill target, and we check that if needing value in dictionary, then we just return index of needing value and index of current element of array. Okay, let's do that. Now at first to take 3 subtract from 7 equal 4. Now we check 4 in dictionary. No, not 4 is not in dictionary. So how to do? We just add 3 with current index equal 0. Now 2 equal 5. Okay, now we check 5 in dictionary. No, 5 not in dictionary. So what to do? Now we just put 2 with index. Now 6. 7 minus 6. 1 in dictionary. No, so we put 6 with index. Now take 5. Now we can see 2 means needing value in dictionary, so we just return current index of element and index of needing value. Now we are going to code that problem. First, we make a dictionary name hash and make a for loop for take every element of array for I in range len nums, and then we make a variable name need and target minus nums I. Now we check if need in hash, okay, then we return current position of element and position of need element. Okay, hash need. Else what to do? Else means need not in hash, then we just add current element hash nums I equal I. Okay, now run this code and submit. Thank you for watching.